iTAC software offers innovative product solutions to support you in the execution of your production order, all the way from order planning to delivery. The iTAC.Workbench helps to structure your production more efficiently. The new user interface is particularly intuitive, easy to use, and functions as a communication tool between the iTAC.MOM.Suite and the operator. The workbench can be operated from a terminal in production as well as from the office. The number of mouse clicks has also been minimized to make operation even easier. Start or stop orders. Widgets and sidebars give a clear overview of all important additional information. See the progress and status of your machine in real time. Or support your operator in the execution of his work steps. Add your own applications, such as personalized reports, and adapt the workbench to your requirements. iTAC.Workbench, the intuitive framework for efficient production. If you have any questions, please contact our sales team or visit our website.